It's the Suitcase Teachers, Miss Allie.
And Miss Steph.
And we're back from our letter N nature trail walk that we went on.
That was so fun.
How fun was that?
I enjoyed seeing all the things in nature. Remember, they had hundreds of trees and hundreds of types of plants.
They did. All 8 types of swans.
The lake.
Yes.
And we saw flowers.
Oh, beautiful flowers.
And
trails.
Geese. Yeah.
Yeah, everything you could go
turtles.
On there. Oh, yeah. Oh, those were so cute. Remember that one little turtle we saw with his foot sticking out?
Yeah, his legs were sticking straight out.
Oh, so cute. And it just allowed us, Miss Steph, to remember how calm and peaceful nature is.
Yes, and that sometimes we need that. We just need to go somewhere where it's calm
and quiet.
And peaceful.
Yes, it's beautiful out there. That was fun.
That was
If you get a chance to go, make sure you're outside at some point. Anyways, every day we should enjoy the outside, but that was a lot of fun.
Yes.
Okay, so now that we're back from our nature trail, we are going to go now back through our vowels, because now we're going to take this letter N sound we learned and blend it with all of our 5 superstar vowels. All right, so let's start out by doing our letter N sound. Ready? N says N. All right, let's do that one more time. N says N. All right, now we're going to go back and review those 5 superstar vowels. Okay, A, E, I, O, and U. You ready? A says A. E says I says I. O says ah. U says All right. Okay. Now's the fun part where our suitcases brought us stuff with all of that, Miss Steph.
Right, because now it's the part that really helps us to read, when we can put these consonants and vowels together and put the sounds together and make words.
Which is so fun.
It is fun.
Okay. Yeah.
So we're going to start with our first vowel was A. So
right.
We have our N says A says
I'm
going to put them together for
nah.
Okay. Nah. All right.
Nah.
Let me look in this suitcase and see what I can find that has the nah
sound.
Nah.
Oh.
Okay. This is a napkin.
Napkin. That's a good one. Napkin. Okay. All right. So we did A. Next letter's E. Okay. So N says N. E says Nah. Ooh, okay. Necklace. That's a pretty one.
That is a pretty one.
Yes.
Okay. A-E-I.
Okay.
N says
I says I. Nah. Okay. Nah. Oh.
I see a nickel.
Oh, a nickel. That's a good one. That's a good one. Okay. All right. A-E-I-O. Okay. Ready? N says N. O says ah. Nah. All right. Nah. Oh, this is a funny one. This is funny. All right. Ready? Noggin. That's your head.
That's another word for your head.
A noggin. Use your noggin.
Noggin.
Yeah, we use those every day on the Suitcase Teachers when we watch.
We do.
Yes.
Okay, so we had A-E-I-O. Next is U.
N says N. U says nah. Okay.
This was something we talked about out in nature. These are nuts.
Oh, yes.
Nuts.
That's a good one, Miss
Steph.
Nuts.
They were in nature.
They were. We saw so many cool things. Okay. All right. So now that we've done all those, let's go back up our blending steps and let's say them all in order again. Okay. All right. First one was A. Then we'll go on through. Ready? Nah, 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 nah. Good job. All right, let's do it one more time. Ready? Nah, nah, ni, na, na. All right, Miss Steph, let's think one more time.
Okay.
What are some, now we're going to go back through like we always do. Let's think about words. Maybe the suitcase didn't bring it to us, but there are other words that start with those.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Nah.
We had napkin.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nap.
You could shorten it.
Nap.
Yeah, nap.
I like to take a nap.
I like to take a nap. All right, we had necklace. No. Oh, this was in the suitcase, Miss Steph, on somewhere we might get to go. The net.
Net.
Yes,
Yeah.
net.
Net.
Okay.
We had nickel.
Ooh, if you took little bites of something.
Nibble.
That's a good one. Nibble. Okay, all right. Ooh, we had to use our noggin for that, and that was the O. Noggin. Ooh. Not. Yeah.
Okay. No, we had nuts.
No.
Oh, this is something we use every day.
Okay.
Numbers.
Oh, that's a good one. Numbers. That's so good. Now it's your turn, boys and girls. You guys go and find an adult and think about all these blending steps we've had with this letter N, and you find words that begin with those blend sounds that we've learned. That'll be fun.
That will be fun because I know you can do it.
I think so too. All right, let's go. Let's review one more time our N sound before we go. You ready? N says n, n, n. All right.
Let's go up those steps one more time.
Oh, okay. All right, ready? Na, ne, ni, na, na. Good job. All right.
Yay.
So we're all the way through N. Ooh, wonder where we're going to go, Miss Steph, next.
I do too. Think about what comes after N is O. Well, O was the superstar vowel. We've already done O.
Which was so fun.
That was fun.
Yes.
So think about what may be coming after that.
That's going to be fun. We'll see you next
then.
time.
Bye.